Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable MongoDB Atlas triggers for analytics pipelines step by step clearly. To enable MongoDB Atlas triggers for analytics pipelines, start by logging into your MongoDB Atlas account. Navigate to the project where your database is hosted. In the left-hand menu, select the Database Deployments option. Locate and click on the cluster you wish to work with. Once in the cluster view, find the Triggers section and click on it. Now, click the Create Trigger button to start setting up a new trigger. You will be prompted to select a trigger type. Choose either a database trigger or a scheduled trigger, depending on your use case. For a database trigger, specify the database and collection that will trigger the event. Next, choose which operation or operations will activate the trigger. This can include insert. For a scheduled trigger, set the frequency and time zone according to your requirements. Proceed to configure the trigger's function by selecting or writing the JavaScript code that will be executed. Make sure your code complies with the MongoDB Stitch function specifications. You can also define any necessary parameters that the function may need to run accurately. After completing the configuration, review your settings for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save Trigger option to finalize the setup. Your trigger will now be active and ready to process events based on the specified conditions. Monitor the trigger's performance by checking the logs available in the Triggers section to ensure it operates smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.